These are my favorite earphones that I'm using for last 3 years. They still sound good, but now their wire condition has gone bad. So I decided to remove these wires and upgrade them to Bluetooth technology. So let's do it. I got this Bluetooth wireless receiver for this project from an online shopping platform at a very nominal cost. Let's open the box and see what's there inside. There is one micro USB charging cable, one male-to-male aux adapter, and of course this Bluetooth receiver module. It has a charging port on one side and 3.5 mm audio output port on the other side. There are 3 control buttons on the front and a pen type clip on the back. Let's now prepare our earphones to attach with this Bluetooth receiver. As you know, its wires are not good to use. So first we will replace these wires. For that I will use the wires of this defective earphones. These wires are in pretty good shape, hence can be used for our project. Let's cut the wire. Now we will peel its insulation to expose the inner wires on the other side. I don't want to cut short the wire, hence I decided to open the earphones to pull the wire from the inside. We will do the same to the other earphone also. Similarly, we will open target earphones also. Now we will remove the wires with a soldering iron. Now we will pull the wires from the defective earphones also. So both the wires are now ready. Let's open the Bluetooth receiver now. This is the Bluetooth receiver board. It has an inbuilt lithium battery and an onboard microphone too for receiving the phone calls. There is also a 3.5 mm jack for output. So we will pass our earphone wires through this 3.5 mm jack from the inside. Other side of the wire, we will pass it through earphone covers. Similarly, we'll do the same with other earphone cover also. Now we will solder the speakers. And close both the earphones. So this side is ready now. Let's now fix the Bluetooth receiver side. Peel the wires. Tin all the ends. And connect as shown in the video. Join both the ground wires together. So now we have 3 ends to connect. Solder right earphone wire to right output terminal. Now solder ground wires to ground terminal. And finally, solder left earphone wire to left terminal. So all the connections are done. Let's now close the Bluetooth receiver cover. Finally, our Bluetooth earphones are now ready. Let us turn it on and test the sound quality. Perfect. The sound quality is absolutely wonderful. So friends, this was the today's video. Hope you like and enjoyed it. Stay connected for more such practical and informative ideas. Please consider subscribing and sharing this video. This actually motivates me to do more such videos for you. So stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll meet you soon in another exciting video. Until then, goodbye.